Hello everyone, welcome to Winning Harmonic Trader. It looks like finally natural gas has bottomed. So let's have a closer look. So natural gas, so the most important trend line, this blue channel, it was here, right? Where is okay, here. So it was here, but now, today, I dragged down a little bit because today, natural gas, here, natural gas strongly bounced back from here, right? It started weak, but ended pretty high, right? This is a very bullish candle. The importance is this trend line, right? It happened near this area. So it got strong support here. So still a little bit early, but as you can see, I don't look for confirmation, right? I act and then look for the follow through later, right? So to me, today is the bottom. Of course, this was bottom, but today is a successful retest of this support. So it looks good to me. So that's number one. And the second one is this one, the yellow trend line here. I like this messy area. Resistance, support, many support here, and support on August 3rd week, right? So this is a strong support. And look at this one. This yellow support and blue support met here, right? So to me, August 3rd was a very important time. And today, natural gas successfully retested it. Okay? And also, so that's number two. And the third reason is this one, the triangle, right? This triangle are converging, right? So we don't have much time left here. Usually this triangle, right, finishes before this vertex, right? So that's September 14th. So here we have a very good chance to break out here. Okay. Not only that, we also have harmonic pattern, right? X, A, B, C, D. So we have many support here. And also, if we look at other markets, right? They all are at the major support in July, August. In fact, June, July, August, right? Oil is a major support in July. Natural gas, we just looked at it. Silver, right? Look at how many supports are here. Major support here in July, right? Let's have a closer look. These two are decades wrong. One of them is, let's have a look, 1980, going back to 1980. This is 1980. This is even longer, right? 1967, right? These support and this one, right, from 2016. All of these are converging in July. And same with gold, right? These trend lines converging in July. Right? June, July, right? Same with nickel. June, July here. And copper has been very strong, right? But it met support in June, right? July, right? So that's why it's quite significant. This support all at the same time, right? So specifically, if you look at natural gas, it follows oil's lead, right? Oil is leading. It bottomed on July 2nd. Ideally, natural gas and oil bottom at the same time, but oil rallied on June 2nd, but natural gas didn't do much, right? July 2nd, right? In fact, it fell, right? It fell further, right? But on second attempt, in fact, let's look at the weekly. August 3rd week, natural gas also bottomed near this support, right? Blue line support and yellow line support bounce. And also oil got bounced to here, right? This is August 3rd, right? And oil is about to break above this one, this downtrend line. What I observed is the breakout usually happen on fourth or fifth, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Third time works sometimes, but fourth time works really well, and fifth time almost always works, right? So we have very good chance oil will break out above this one, and possibly here, right? Natural gas is also very close to this downtrend line, right? So what to watch is this one, right? Last week's high, 286.95. Natural gas must exceed and close higher than this week. So today is Monday. So come this Friday, right? It should close higher than this one. So that will be $2.87 in a spot. And here, right? $2.83 above this one in future. Okay, so that's what I'm watching. So of course, if it failed to close above last week's high, then we may fall a few more weeks here, but I don't think it's gonna fall for much, right? Downside is pretty much limited. This one and this one, right? These two strong support. So here, right? We are very close to bottom, if not already bottomed, right? I believe this was bottom, but if it doesn't work, then we have one more time here, and it should go above higher. Okay? So let's see how this plays out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.